Right, so as you can see, I've just entered Mobile World Congress here in Hall 1, which is just over there. One of the companies that is playing a role in business critical communications is TD Tech. I'm having an interview with Alan Jin and Rachel Song, who are just over there. Okay, but before I introduce you to those two people, you need to understand that the company was established in 2005. It's not an old company, but they have research and development centers all over the place in China, and they're really eager to take the next leap into the critical communications part. As said, there are not many companies showcasing critical communication solutions, but this company is focused on specifically that area. So what we're going to do, they have three sections at the booth. So we have the Bodycam over there, the Bodycam solutions. We have a push-to-talk radio over there and a smart device. We're going to talk about these three devices. We're also going to talk about smart industry, smart life, but just a little bit actually, because we're focused on critical communications. There is another interesting fact actually to know. The company has some 2,000 patents, and many of those patents are developed for innovation. The company is actually present in 100 countries, delivering solutions for airports, harbors, industry, and so on. So there are enough reasons to talk to the people of TD Tech here at Mobile World Congress 2023. Okay, so let's look for Alan and Rachel, because I've spotted Alan, I haven't seen Rachel yet, so let's take a look where they are. Alan Jing is the one to look out for the body cams actually, and this is Alan.
Yeah, hello.
Great to be here. Well, I was talking about the body cams. You guys have three body cams, right?
Yes.
Three types of body cams.
Yes.
And the new one, very interesting name.
Yes.
So let's talk about that.
Okay. This is the new 5G bodycam camera based on the 5G SOC solution, and it features a 2.4-inch touchscreen, and it can provide the 4K HD video recording, high volume intercom, and high perceiving positioning, and low power consumption and long battery life.
Okay, so it's 5G ready, so that's cool actually, because that's the first 5G body cam I have seen until so far.
Yes. And with the perfect integration of the 5G wireless transmission and the intelligent machine vision, it can realize the digital recording and the wireless evidence archiving.
And if you're not yet up to 5G, and many organizations are not up to 5G yet, there is a 4G device available with a SIM card as well, and included with Wi-Fi. So 4G, 5G, complete the whole range actually. That's cool, Alan, but there's more, because I have seen a push-to-talk radio.
Yes.
That's an interesting one. I'm interested in that one. So what kind of device is that?
Actually, it is a professional tracking terminal. It's a broadband WAN. It can be used in some special scenarios, especially for some port, airport, and something like transportation and energy industries.
I'm having this device here in my hand, and it feels very rugged. The grip is very nice. Is a little stubby antenna, which is located in the right place. The emergency button is located in the right place. I think that's very important. Push to talk on the side, as you can see here. It's shock-proof. It has Gorilla Glass 7, right?
Protection. The IP68.
IP68, Gorilla Glass 7. This is just a nice device, actually. It runs over 4G?
4G.
Okay. Actually, the interesting thing about that device is already 5 years in the market. Okay, so that was about the body cams, about the trunking terminal. But like many of those manufacturers, they also produce a smart device, which is this device. And it looks like a smartphone, but it isn't.
Yeah, it's called a V900. It's an industrial terminal. The biggest difference from the customer terminal is just this V900 comes with a physical PTT button and an emergency call button, which can meet the different requirements of some industrial customers for one button communication.
Okay, so that's the device. It's rugged, right?
The whole machine can meet the IP68 protection based on the 3GPP standard, which can provide the MCPTT, MC video, MC data professional services. And also it can provide the system level safety encryption protection from the hardware to software.
All those solutions are coming together in an integrated command and control center, and that's what you got over here.
This is our integrated command solution, and the highlight is that we can see all the information in one map, in one system. And also, all the terminals we provided, like the body-worn camera, the tracking terminals, and the industrial terminals, all the information can be uploaded to our system. For example, like now we uploaded the video to our system by this body-worn camera. And we can source the information, the video in the front line. And it can realize the facial dispatching. And also this video can be distributed to another types of the terminals. Now here we can receive the video from the body-worn camera. And also we can do some workflow in this terminal. Okay? Yes, that's the video distribution. Also we can see the gist information in this map. And once some emergency cases happen, we can just slide on this map and make the temporary group. And in this group, we can make the video and the voice call and send messages and make the group call. And also we can set up the draw fence. When somebody are out of this area, just the alarm will be set into our system. Okay, it can realize the cooperation between the different departments.
From smart city to smart life and smart industry. And that means we're going to talk to Rochelle, and Rochelle can talk to me about, as I said, smart life, and just over there, smart industry.
This one is for indoors use, and this one is for outdoor use. This CP is for 5G CP, and this one this one is mainly for like office and home use, and this one always for like outdoor scenarios like school, like factories, this kind of one. All this can support like NSE and SA.
So for what I understand, 5G is coming in here.
Yeah.
And it distributes Wi-Fi signal indoors, right?
Yeah.
Outside 5G, right? That's the key here. That's also with that device. Mm-hmm. Right, the only one that is industrial grade,
yeah,
and that is consumer grade.
Yeah. Theoretically, the download peak speed can reach up to 1.8 gigabits, and the upload speed can reach up to 750 megabits.
From smart life, we're going to smart industry, and that is what we got here.
From this area, you can see this for edge computing gateway, and it has multiple interfaces, can access to different and multiple IoT devices for data processing and backhaul to our data centers through 4G and 5G networks. And this product can use in many scenarios like elevators and manufacturing plants, and it has already used in more than 50 regions, countries, and we got more than 30 certificates.
Okay, so everybody is gone. Everybody from 2D Tech is gone. all of the products are gone. Body cameras are gone, PTT device is gone, everything is gone. So that means I'm here very late at the show, yes, and it's 7 o'clock in the evening. Actually, the show is finished, the show is done for today, on Thursday. But in the meantime, from the interviews I did at TD Tech until now, I have seen a lot of other companies with their solutions. I haven't seen companies on body cameras. I haven't seen companies really with push-to-talk radios, because there is no need, you would say, at Mobile World Congress to view those kind of products. But that's not true, because the booth of TD Tech was really filled with a lot of people interested in body cameras. So there are a lot of end users using those products visiting this show. So in other words, they were at the right place at the right time, and I look forward to see TD Tech at other events like Critical Communications World, IWC, PMR Expo, whatever event where you can meet those end users in critical communications. And I also look forward to see the new developments of TD Tech maybe next year at Mobile World Congress 2024. So for me, it's the end of the show. As I said, it's 7 o'clock, it's time to go home, it's time to have a nice meal, a nice Spanish meal, and I'll probably see you in the next video or next year at Mobile World Congress 2024. See you, bye bye.